Trees listen to songs of birds with ears large and small. The sounds they hear are hymns of sentience encompassing it all. Holding a number of names, from wood ears to jelly ears, their Latin name, Aricula-judae, translates to Jew's ear. This is believed to be the case due to their favoured host tree being the elder tree. With the fruiting bodies looking extremely ear-like, and the disciple Judas apparently hanging himself from an elder tree, there is a clear correlation here between the two. Found growing throughout the year on living and dead wood, these mushrooms are unlike many others. With a rubbery interior, a velvety, slightly darker exterior, and nearly always drooping downwards, their ear-like appearance is remarkable. They are most easily identified in the winter months or when there is more moisture in the air, as they appear more pronounced. They can be spotted on a warm, sticky summer day, however they will be a fraction of their true size and more solid to the touch. With them being one of the only edible mushrooms around in the heart of winter, they are a good one to be aware of. When I began foraging, this was one of the first mushrooms I found. Its almost mossy smell and smooth touch will always bring back fond memories of that time, and I thank it for introducing me into this wacky and wonderful world. Howdy. We've had a lot of rain recently, a lot of rain, which can only mean one thing: growth. Very good for one thing. I mean, not so ideal for humans because we're wimps now, but very good for plants and mushrooms. More importantly, these bad boy mushrooms love a bit of rain. See if we can get them all up this tree here. Can you see them? I'll get a few close-ups in a minute. Beauties. Completely in their full form right now. If I was to take one and dry it to a crisp, I could then stick it in some water and it would reconstitute to its former glory. But it really is mental how ear-like they are. Or is it mental how mushroomy our ears are? You know, what came first, the ear or the mushroom? A moss-covered elder tree looms against fallen leaves, a vibrant silhouette when compared with the quiet wind of the twilight air. With ears of many sizes, he feels the forest moving and pulsating to the song of life. A song he now knows not even Gaia began.